Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick but super useful skill that'll up your productivity game: how to hyperlink an email address directly in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn any email written in your spreadsheet into a clickable link. So with just a tap, you, your team, or anyone viewing the sheet can launch a new email message instantly. This small tweak can make your spreadsheets way more interactive and professional, especially for things like contact lists or project trackers. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to type out the email address you want to hyperlink. Just pick a cell, any cell, and write the full email. Make sure it's correctly spelled. Even one typo can cause issues, and the hyperlink might not work as expected. Think of this step like writing someone's phone number in your contacts. Accuracy matters. Once you've entered the email, click on the cell itself to select it. This tells Google Sheets which cell you want to modify. It's easy to miss this part, especially if you're moving quickly, so double check that the border around your chosen cell is highlighted. That means you're good to go. Now look toward the top of your screen and find the Insert menu. Go ahead and click on that. The Insert menu is where all sorts of magic happens in Google Sheets: charts, images, and of course links. We're using it because it gives you more control and ensures that what you're linking actually does what you want it to do, instead of Google Sheets just making assumptions. From the Insert menu, select the option called Link. You'll see a little window pop up ready for you to enter your link. And here's the important part: in the box that appears, type your email address again, but this time make sure to format it as an email link. The best way to do this is by typing **mailto* before the email address. So if you're linking jane.doe@example.com, you'd type mailto jane.doe@example.com. This little trick tells Google Sheets, hey, this isn't just a web address, this is an email link. If you just paste the email alone, it sometimes gets treated as plain text, so the mailto is key. After you hit enter, you'll immediately notice that your email has changed color and is underlined. That's Google Sheets' way of showing you that the cell is now hyperlinked. It's just like when you see a blue clickable link on a website, you instantly know it's interactive. If you ever need to edit the link, you can click the cell again and choose the small pencil icon, so don't stress if you need to change it later. Now the best part: hover your mouse over that newly hyperlinked cell. You'll see a small pop-up saying send email to, followed by the address. With one click, your computer's default email app will open, pre-filled with the address in the to field. It's that easy. This is awesome for quick outreach. Instead of copying and pasting every time, your workflow just got a major upgrade. If you run into any issues like the link not working, double-check the spelling or make sure the mailto part is there. These small details make all the difference. And there you have it. Linking email addresses in Google Sheets is a breeze once you know how. If this tip helped you out, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.